What's up, everybody? I'm Daryl.
And I'm Marie.
And this is DM's MixUp.
We're on the other part of the path, which it splits right there. There's this fence here. Looks like it was folded.
Somebody folded it back on that side.
It was folded back, but it was
Tied.
It looks like it's tied back, so it should be okay for us to walk through here. I don't see any signs posted. And the path is gravel, so. And there's that house.
Yeah.
Which I see boards on a window in the back, I think. And maybe it's the lights.
No, I think it was the lighting.
No, there's a board on that one window.
It's a dark screen, I think. Or are you talking about on the side?
It looks like it used to be a door.
Hmm?
It's being blocked by that tree now.
Okay.
So we saw a person walking their dog back here, and then we saw another person possibly jogging, taking a break. Yeah, come here. You can see it. See the window? It looks boarded up.
Dirty dark screen, I think.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah, let's keep going. So far, other than that fenced entrance, there's been no way to get to it, so.
There's still a lot of down trees, though. And they weren't just falling down. They've definitely been pushed over or kicked down.
Well,
Or both. Just look.
yeah, somebody maintains this. I don't know who, but somebody. It's kind of cool. Nice little walk trail.
It is nice back here.
Hopefully we can find a place to fish, because that would be really great. I'll have to run home and get the fishing poles. Still walking down the path, checking things out.
I see water.
Yeah. Again, it doesn't look like there's a way to get down to it. Not a safe way anyway. And then you can tell it's muddy. Oh, maybe over here, some fishing.
None of that solid, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, you can see the marsh grass, so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Close. So close. Man.
So close. Actually, right through those trees over that way, there is the boating dock where we've gone fishing before. I actually caught that one striped bass right down from that boating dock. I think what this is someone built a berm a long time ago to redirect the water. I know I was reading on one of the signs that they redirected the water so they could get boats up and down through the area. And so this probably is one of those berms, and they just have put a walking trail on it, since we don't send boats up and down the river anymore.
They still have some though. Particularly small local companies.
Okay, that's confusing. Where did the tree come from? Like, there's...
Honey, right there.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
That big old tree came tumbling down from up there.
Very big tree.
I wonder if it got hit by lightning.
No, there's no burn marks.
I don't know. That's a big old tree. Been here a long time.
Mm-hmm. It's just dead from the inside.
I'm glad I wasn't walking on that.
Mm-hmm.
Probably from some of the windstorms we've had.
Yeah, that would do it. Because it looks pretty well weakened.
It looks like this goes all the way around over there.
It does from this path angle too.
Ooh, there's a spot somebody was fishing from.
Ooh. Oh, but it gets past the barge. Don't know if it's solid though. It looks like it. Yes, it is. Up to the ridge edge. If you hold the camera up a little bit, I think you can see.
There's a log there.
Yes, next to the left of the log, there's footprints in the mud.
Yeah, so it's still muddy, but
But
I'm trying to figure out how they got down there though, unless they just trampled down this.
Right here.
You think they went down there?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I can
If
see
you
it
look
now.
at this right here, that's been stepped on and that's been squashed down. So my guess is they're about
Yeah.
your height or a little taller.
You're right.
1 foot there, 1 foot there, and then they walked right through.
Yeah. These are new briars anyway.
They are baby briars. They're
Right.
still green.
We could bring the the machete and just chop those out.
Or even the pruning
Get right
shears.
down there.
The big ones or the short ones?
Huh.
I think we should. I want to
There's-
try that.
There's one place to fish. It looks like somebody tried to go down here too.
Oh, hello. Oh, but that don't look solid. No, I'm not tempting fate. You see how
Well,
thick
that
that goo is?
it would be hard to cast there anyway with that tree in the way.
I'm more worried about getting stuck in that goo, man. I did once.
Well, I mean, as long as you're only up to your
Twice.
knees,
Times.
then you can still cast.
That's the problem. You think it's semi-solid, at least, oh, I'm just going to get it up to my ankles. Next thing you know, you're up to your waist.
I
Last
just seen,
time I got
look,
stuck
there's
at the tree
stuff
before
moving
it
right
came
out
out.
there.
Oh,
Fish moving away from the shore,
Hello.
or could be
Hello.
frogs.
no, that was a fish that won under that tree. That big little lake.
Look at that.
You
That's
can
so
see his tail
awesome.
flip. Oh,
You can't get out there though unless you had a boat. If we had a kayak, we could be out there in the river.
yes. I vote for that.
Relationship goals: get kayaks.
And a nice bedroll.
Look at this. I don't know. I could probably cast from here. I could cast from here, but then you got like 6 foot down. It doesn't look very deep at this right at this point.
No.
Those are a lot of little tiny fish right at the edge.
Oh yeah, look at the minnows.
Yep.
Yay. Yeah, I think it is low tide. I think it
I
might
don't
be.
know.
We'll have to take a look.
It's hard to tell.
We will check the Weather Channel.
That inlet right there. Here. That inlet right there is where we were. We were on the end of that berm on that end.
Mm-hmm.
So that inlet is where we just came from.
Wow.
And this, I'll bet this is gonna go around to the other side of where we were. That'd be super cool.
Yeah. This thing is expensive. I love this. This is the coolest
Oh yeah.
thing.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're having a great time just walking around checking this out.
Seriously. Coolest find ever. I'm loving this.
Okay, so we made it down to the end,
And definitely found water.
which,
Lots of little things. And check this out, Daryl. Ta-da!
ooh, we could actually fish from this side.
And over here too.
We'd have to cut down some of the marsh grass, but
Mm-hmm.
we could probably fish from here. Be careful. Yeah. But that right over there is the hill we were on. So this is the other side of that little inlet. And you can actually see the water flowing in to it. So the tide is coming in.
Yeah, this is okay to stand on and it's fairly safe, which is partly why I came all the way out so far. And I could tell because if you look as you come down, you'll see rocks right about here start. And they were put here on purpose when they put these in to try and help control the water levels and the flooding in the area from the marsh. And you're able to step on them because they're built up and pounded down many times over. So it's safe to step here. Somebody got really brave and went as far out as that log, but I'm not that brave. I don't know what's in the water, but I'm chicken. But
And crabs like chicken.
yes, they do.
Careful.
My luck, the Crab King will get me. Drag me off the sea.
Be like a Skyrim mud crab.
There you go. Oh.
Alright, so we could actually,
Here,
and we were just talking about it, we could actually bring a tent out here and just set the tent up right here. That would be super cool.
bring them over here. Show them this view. From
Not
this
that
peak,
many.
You can see everything. Go on in there. Check that out. If you extend it up, they'll be able to see right on through.
Super awesome. Can't
So
see much through there because you got
peaceful.
all the leaves from the trees. We have to take out
Oh.
some of the marsh grass.
You see the tree line over there, Daryl?
Yep.
The greenery right there? I just saw a deer over there.
Did you?
A buck. He was a young buck. His antlers were there, but not too big. He was good size, though.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
There's a residential area over there. But I think we could set a tent up right here.
Oh, yeah. Set up a little tree over there by the marsh. Nice fire right back here. Put down some stoning or some bricks. Dig it down a little bit so it can't get blown.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got one more trail to go down, so we're gonna head there.
Found some people fishing.
Or boating. They're just passing by. They came from the boat dock over there.
We've got to get boats.
I know. There's the boat dock right over there.
Oh.
That's not the boat dock. There's the boat dock.
This
Boat dock is right over there.
gorgeous.
There's the house. I'm gonna see if we can find out more details. Maybe we can get in there and do some metal detecting. It's locked, but this it's kind of funny because this sign is facing that house and it says hazardous area, keep out.
In Kent County.
Talking about this area. Huh. Well, this is where they turned it into a nature trail.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content.